Brad, what are we seeing on the more granular level here?
Well, let's take a look at starting off with the Dow Jones Industrial Average, kind of setting up where we are over the course of the past 5 days and coming into this week. So the down net, or the downward movement over the past 5 days by about 0.9%, but out of the gate here this morning, still looking pretty good. It's up by about 0.2%. NASDAQ composite, you mentioned, flat just barely to the downside over the past 5 days, still net higher by about 0.1%. And let's just get on over to the heat map for the S&P 500 as well here. We'll take a look at the sector activity first, and that'll give us actually where the S&P 500 is sitting out of the gate this morning. Right now, flat just barely to the upside. But taking a look at the 11 S&P 500 sectors, energy far and away leading the charge right now. It's up by about 1.8% here on the day. And so bringing up the caboose here, you're seeing on the other side, XLRE, real estate, that is down by about 0.6%. You've also got staples, that's lower by about 0.5% right now. Taking a look at some of the major or mega cap tech stocks and how they're starting off today and the week this Monday. Apple, AAPL, you're seeing that down by about 0.6%. Kind of some of the similar fractional moves lower for Amazon and Microsoft there as well. Nvidia too, down by about 0.6%. We've gotten through many of the mega cap tech stocks, at least for the FANG or the kind of gamma names, if you will, however you're kind of acronymizing them. It's a word somewhere. At the end of the day, we've gotten through that, and later on in this earnings season, we'll get back into some of the retailers. So that coming in just a few weeks from now too.
Yeah, and we've had of course, all the bank action that we've been watching too with the regionals. We'll see where that's going to go from here. But PacWest had been bouncing quite a bit on Friday, and then that bounce was continuing today. Oh, and it's continuing again, up to 30%. Yeah. Western Alliance up 12%. So we're going to be watching that closely, as we just talked about with Deepak. Maybe it's done, maybe it's not. We don't want to necessarily judge too quickly because it felt like it was.
My crystal ball is in the shop. So.
Yeah, and then market said it wasn't.